Good afternoon from Hanoi. Kayla here. Today, we didn't really plan much. It's been a week here in Hanoi. We haven't done any Airbnb tour yet. Also, Luke and Sabrina brought me some Taiwanese snacks. I'm gonna try that on this video as well. So yeah, I'll show you the house. This is the outside part with the elevator. So the doors. We're staying here at P6 1515. Doorbell for visitors, and the door is to just there's no key, no cards. You just have to put on your password. All right, and then it's gonna open right away. Oh, hi! There. It's gonna be a quick tour. So our shoes and slippers and pink mirror. Here you can control the entire house. And this one is like a CCTV. Okay, and so let's go to the kitchen. So these are the ingredients we bought from the grocery. The pots, we cook all the time, that's why we buy so many local ingredients. Right here there's an electric stove with like a vent, which is kind of cool. Yeah, what I love about here is they are truly prepared for some feast. Got lots of bowls for soups, noodles, and so many chopsticks. Water station, dining area. It's pretty small, but it's enough for us. We're only 3. My workstation and yeah, an orange sofa, very comfy. So relaxing to just chill here. It's so relaxing here, and it's just perfect for watching, especially on this television that they have. It's an LG brand. There's a huge speaker, sounds really good. And yeah, we watch Netflix, YouTube, anything. And this is Kayla's play area. Hi, Kayla! Hi! Before going inside, since it's almost sunset, I want to kind of show you how it looks like outside. So this is, I don't know, I think this is for the AC. Okay. And then oh, it's beautiful out there. I don't know if that's fog or pollution. Oh, it's so beautiful. Kind of blurry. Anyways, so that's the view from there. Alright, so that's how it looks. That's the huge school here, Vin School. Okay, that's there. There's like a play park. A lot of kids play there. People jog around the area as well because it's really huge here. So let's close this up. It's getting dark. Now let's go to the master bedroom. So this is, let's open the light first. Okay. So there's a fan. So yeah, sometimes when it's super cold outside, we just open the window and let the air kind of come in. Or when we don't like to turn on the AC, we just use this because it's pretty cold sometimes here. So here's the master bedroom. This is our bed, not the bed that we expected because you cannot jump on it. We can't sleep that long because our backs are really aching. We forgot to ask how soft the bed is because like you see, it's not like a soft and fluffy bed. Anyways, here is the closet. So there's a few hangers and there's a FoodieMommaPH shirt, of course. There's 2 drawers there, and let's go to the bathroom. Okay, there's a huge mirror, sink, and unflushed toilet. I don't know what this is for. Here's the shower area. It's so nice actually because the heater is really working well. Go, 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 go. Turn on the lights. Turn off the fan. Go. Other bathroom is here. Toilet, smaller mirror. Shower is also working well. The heater is nice. And here is the other room where Kim and Kayla sleeps. Oh, another FoodieMommaPH shirt. So you can hang your clothes here, towels. The cool thing about here is, so it's also a hard bed. But what I love about here is they have this kind of, I don't know what, like a pillow. So if you're alone and you just want to hug, yeah, you can hug this on the right side and you can hug this on the left side. It's so relaxing to use this one. And laundry area, just look at that outside. It's kind of messy, but yeah. So yeah, have I shown you everything? That's just about it. Hello, come here. We're gonna eat some Taiwanese snacks. Say hi, everybody. Say hello. Start with, what is this? So this is called a pineapple cake. Brand is Pineapple Hill, maybe. So this is from Luke and Sabrina of Chopstick Travel. Thank you so much for the Taiwanese snacks. Taiwanese goodies it's my first time trying all of these. I haven't been to Taiwan, so I don't really know what to expect, but so inside there's this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, get one. Wow! Oops. So one pack looks like this. Whoa! The smell of it. Oh, I feel like the smell is very familiar. Try it. Hold it. Oops. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Is it yum yum? Is it yummy? So, oh, that's good. Mmm. The bread has a similar taste. I've had this. Mmm. I love the bread. It's not too sweet, so that's how it looks. I like the ratio of the bread to filling. The filling, pineapple is really good. I can finish 5 packs of these. And, oh, more. Okay, eat some more. So the pineapple box is this small. This is a lot bigger than that, and this is a St. Paul brand. I don't know what this is. Ooh. Oh, there are one. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. Let's get one. So let's open it up. Shall we? One, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's so big. Wow, what is this? Oh, it feels like a Chinese hopia that we have in the Philippines. Wow. So there's sesame seeds outside of it. Let's try it out. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. That's like red bean inside. And it's very chewy. I like the rusty texture on the outer layer. Mmm. And then on the inside, chewy, sticky red bean. Not too sweet. Oh, that's... I like the texture. It's so different. Wow, that's so good. Next is from Hinoki Village. I don't know where that is. And then there's this... Ooh, look at that. What are these? I think these are charcoal peanuts. Ooh. Okay. So, let's check it out. Ooh, oh, look at that. Are they much healthier? Do they have protein? Let me know. Why do they make charcoal peanuts? Let's try it out. Oh, that tastes familiar. The peanuts are so sweet. And the outer layer has a different crunch. Once you bite into it, it melts in your mouth. If this is healthier, I'm definitely gonna get this when I get to Taiwan. Next, let's try some Pringles. Pringles is one of my favorite classic chips. I've already tasted different kinds of flavors, but this one is different. A signature pork rice bowl in Taiwan. I'm really interested to try this. Pringles. Let's try it out. That's interesting. I like how salty it is, peppery. The onion powder is definitely what you will taste, but it's not spicy. It's very savory. If you wanna have some chips on your cheat day or movie night, this is quite good. I like it. And the last one is this. I really don't know what to expect. It looks like it's gonna be sweet or sour or salty like a plum. It looks like a plum. But these are actually hard-boiled eggs. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. It looks different. Oh. Halfway between a grape and olive. Who would be able to guess that these are boiled eggs, right? Oh. Oh wow. The outer part tastes like it's marinated in some Taiwanese or Chinese spices. This yolk is very creamy. It's like salted egg yolk, but it's not. Overall, very interesting. Everything tasted great, but my top two favorite... Oh, it's so hard to choose. I love the pineapple cakes. I can imagine having that for, like, if I'm hungry and I'm at a different place, I have no access to food, I'll have that as a snack. Also, the pork floss with salted egg and red bean, a dessert and snack on its own. I love the charcoal peanuts too. Again, for movie nights, beer pairing, maybe. Also, the Pringles. I love chips. I love the saltiness of it. Heavy on the onion powder. And this egg, very interesting. It's the first time I've had something like this. It's definitely way better than century eggs that I've had. So yeah, that would be it for today's house tour and Taiwanese snacks. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on the next episode. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more Airbnb tours or house tours and taste test videos. Goodbye from Hanoi.